8 effective tips to lose fat in your face. Losing fat in the face can be a part of an overall weight loss and healthy lifestyle approach. While it's important to note that you cannot specifically target fat loss in one area, including the face, these tips can contribute to overall fat loss, which may impact the appearance of your face. Maintain a healthy diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and high-calorie beverages. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Proper hydration can help maintain skin elasticity and reduce bloating. Cardiovascular exercise. Include regular cardiovascular exercises such as running, jogging, cycling, or brisk walking to burn calories and promote overall fat loss. Strength training. Engage in strength training exercises to build muscle mass, which can contribute to an increase in overall metabolism. Facial exercise. While evidence is limited, some people find that facial exercises may help tone facial muscles and improve the appearance of the face. Examples include cheek lifts, smiling exercises, and puckering your lips. Limit alcohol and salt intake. Excessive alcohol consumption and high salt intake can contribute to water retention and bloating, affecting the appearance of your face. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get enough quality sleep, as lack of sleep can contribute to stress and potential weight gain. Reduce stress. Practice stress-reducing activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga, as chronic stress can lead to weight gain and water retention. It's important to approach these tips with a focus on overall health rather than solely for cosmetic reasons. Rapid or extreme weight loss measures can have negative effects on your health and may not provide sustainable results. Before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist to ensure that your approach is safe and tailored to your individual needs. Additionally, remember that everyone's body is different and genetics play a role in the distribution of fat in the body.